Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you my favorite lettuce salad. So to begin with, I'll start this with washed and teared off lettuce properly and removing all the spines from the lettuce. For spines I mean the backbone of the lettuce. You can see here, when you add this, the salad becomes more chewy and you don't enjoy it basically. So what I have done, I have just teared it with my own bare hands and just teared it, washed it and kept it in fridge. So here I have fresh lettuce salad. I have bell peppers, diced, cottage cheese, or you can call it paneer. I have cucumber, that's optional. If you like, you can add it. I also have cherry tomatoes, so I'll go ahead and slice it into half. So you just have to pierce it and time. So apart from these cherry tomatoes, I have extra virgin olive oil. I have my favorite black olives, hummus or hummus call it, and I have Italian seasoning. So to begin with, I'll start adding all the ingredients: bell peppers, cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, cottage cheese. So I'll add these black olives. You can add green if you like, but I prefer black olives. And I'll add this extra virgin olive oil, generous amount, because it develops a lot of taste. And then I'll add this seasoning, generous amount of it, as per your taste I would say. And I'll add my favorite hummus. Spoonful is like sufficient. So now you can mix it properly. Sometimes I do prefer to first add the olive oil and just massage it with my hands, the lettuce only, because it really mixes well and it gives a balanced flavor. Right now I have mixed everything and then I'm mixing it with a fork or a tongue as per your convenience. Availability rather, I would say. So that's how it looks. And trust me, it's like real yum. I can have days. It's that good. So I'll mix it properly. If you want, you would like to add salt and pepper. Mine is like, I'm good with the Italian seasoning. It has everything available. If you don't have, you can just add salt and pepper. That would do. So I have mixed it well and I'll just move it in a separate plate for me. You can add boiled chicken as well. You can add boiled egg. as per your taste and your workout need, I would say, because and availability, of course. So it's ready. Trust me, it's really yum. You should try it once. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.